Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today I am at the Martin Motorsports Modern Classics Ride-In in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. And this is just a cool motorcycle show, a lot of vintage and antique bikes rolling in here. So I'm going to walk around, we'll take a look and see what there is to see. And I will take some pictures and do a little footage here of some of my highlights. They've got live music, and this is just a super cool lineup of everything, European, Japanese, just all sorts of cool stuff here.
It's like a zone anymore. Now it could be anywhere you can go. When you're our height, it's a lot easier.
He's got GS. He's a GS.
Another really cool CBX. There's another beautiful CBX. Just gorgeous. Beautiful 6-cylinder CBX.
And then put the choke back on.
Beautiful Honda CB750. Limited edition 1979 Honda CB750K. Very cool.
So you have a 3-month. Are you here with it? Do you have it? No, I rode this GPZ. I love it.
Here's a really cool Nighthawk 700S. And these are fantastic road bikes. This one's just in beautiful, beautiful condition. Super cool. Gorgeous little CB350 4-cylinder Honda. Some mechanical eye candy here on this gorgeous little Honda. It's a CBX 400F. I've never seen one of these. I don't think that they were U.S. import. Just a cool looking little bike. The first bike I ever rode was a Honda CB360T, very similar to this, but red and black. Now this is a pretty little bike. 2004 Honda Dream 50, and it looks like the old racers from the late 50s and early 60s. It's very, very cool. If you only had 2 bikes in the garage, the CBX and the original Z1, that wouldn't be 2 bad bikes to have.
32, I had already met Fran, okay? How old were you when you met Becky?
My absolute dream bike. Beautiful 81 KZ750. And this is set up just like my old one was, with a little bikini fairing on it, and mine was black as well. And this just brings back a lot of memories. Very, very cool. Nothing like the sound of a 6. Oh, it sounds so smooth. There's a facets to the stock turbo bikes. It's a Kawasaki CB750 turbo. There's a gorgeous little H2 Kawasaki triple. Man, that's pretty. And there's an artist actually painting a portrait of the bike. Here's the artist himself at work. This is really cool. These are some of the original paintings done by the artists of different bikes hanging in the shop here. And a really cool GPZ 750. Wait. Cool looking Kawasaki Kz750. What a beautiful Kawasaki Kz750 behind it, 4-cylinder. There's a gorgeous little Yamaha 650 shaft drive. Beautiful little bike. And I've ridden one of these. They're just a fantastic road bike. Cool little RD 350 Yamaha. Beautiful little bike. 2-stroke. A little bit of 2-stroke heaven here. RZ 350, an RD 400, and an RD 350 Yamaha. And all of these are just beautiful. Another really cool RD 400 Yamaha. This is a cool little Yamaha Vision 500, and I've seen a few of these, but I've never seen one running. Very cool. That is a cool looking custom Yamaha XS 1100 Special. Another cool Yamaha XS 1100. This one's modified. Absolutely gorgeous Suzuki XN85 Turbo. Really, really pretty. The XN85 only has 1,325 miles on it. Super, super cool. Cool looking little GS 550E, 1985.
It ran for 40 miles. And we were up at his place playing with cars. Well, we're down a road. I came back and I lost the right cylinder. I just about made it up the driveway on one bump. And the hunt was on for cars.
Two beautiful vintage 2-stroke Suzukis. Here is a beautiful GT 550 Suzuki triple. Gorgeous bike. Beautiful R90S. This is my first time inside the shop here, and this is in the showroom. Just incredible selection of bikes. Very, very cool. Just packed out.
There's no, it's just a velocity stack.
This is a 1939 Moto Guzzi, and the gentleman actually rode this bike in and rides it all over the place. Just super, super cool.
Let's adjust the rebound to the dampening.
Here's a super cool Benelli 4-cylinder. And it was basically a 250cc bike, 4-cylinder. Just super neat. I'd love to hear that thing run. Another beautiful bike here. It's a Ducati 200 single cylinder, 1960. Here's a gorgeous Laverda 750 twin. Beautiful bike. Very cool to see these out. You don't see these every day. Here's a very pretty Ducati 860. I have not seen one of these. Cool Ducati 996. Another beautiful Ducati 750 GT. Beautiful 850 Norton Commando, just gorgeous. Another really cool looking little Norton here.
What was this for Brooklyn? No, that one's too far. What about this one? Oh, that one's really big.
There's another cool Norton Commando 750. Beautiful. Another gorgeous Norton here. This one is a 750 Commando. And it's sitting right next to a Triumph Trident X75. Pretty little Bonneville TR120R. It's an old BSA with a very interesting fairing. As the day rolls on, more and more people are rolling in here to the show. Yeah, this is just fantastic. I would highly recommend, especially, this is kind of the era of bikes that I'm really into. We'll keep taking a look around here, but man, what a cool show. Gorgeous day, beautiful bikes. How fun is this?